Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Life Review. My name is Deb and today we'll be doing an unboxing of a Realme selfie tripod. So let me just show you around the box, but before that let me just get rid of the plastic. It's nice. It's completely covered with a plastic. So Realme selfie tripod, quite nice, matte finish box and Realme branding on the right side. At the back, Bluetooth 5.1. Let me just read through this. Separate Bluetooth remote, so they have a separate remote to take your selfies or start your videos. 10-meter long distance effective range, so that's quite nice. You can activate the Bluetooth from a distance of 10 meter, that is very long. Stable upright tripod, that we'll see in a while. 60 centimeter adjustable length, again we'll see the 360-degree rotating holder, nice. Aluminium alloy, 162 gram ultra lightweight, that's quite less. So okay, the MRP of this is listed as 2999, but I got this for around 1299, and you can get this from for anywhere around 1100 to 1299. So of course it should be origin of country is China, of course. All right, so now that's out of the way. Let's now go ahead and do the unboxing. So we have a seal here. Just got this. Let's see what else. Nothing else. Cardboard box. Alright, just one instruction manual or a quick guide. So instructions, normal instructions, what to do, how to set this up, and various components, but we'll see that ourselves. Okay, first impression, very well built. Plastic. Okay, is this magnetic? No, it's just there in a rubber. Quite nice. Does it come out? No. Okay, there's the battery here. We have this tab. When we remove this, it will start. Quite clicky. We have an LED indicator here. Okay, we'll come back to that later. Now let's see the stick itself. Quite nice. So 360 rotating, this is what it means, and quite nice. It rotates incrementally. It is not in a free flow, as you can see. Attach a phone here to just show you. This is comes off, and you can fit anywhere like 5 inches to 6 inch, 7 inch phone. It will easily, you can easily attach it here, and this is how it looks like. So this is somewhat, this is how it will look. Okay, let's see. Aluminium, it extends, and this is quite nice. I can see there's 3 level. Oh, 1 2 3 4 level. That's the maximum length of this. For comparison purposes, let me just compare this with the another selfie stick that I recently bought. This is the WeCool G1. We recently did the unboxing and the review of this. If you haven't seen it, just I'll put the link of that somewhere above. Go check that out. So this is not a simple selfie stick. This has a stabilizer inside of that. The WeCool one is quite long. Let me just show you the handle here. So as you can see, that's the difference of the Realme and the WeCool. It is longer, and the WeCool also had this remote, but on the side of Realme, the quality of the Realme is really good. The finishing is very much better than the WeCool. There should be a tripod here. Okay, so yeah, stable enough. So I would say 1200. This gives you good value for money. The finishing is good. It's strong enough. The upper part of this is metal. This is aluminium, but this here it's rubber for good grip, and this one here, this is plastic, and this seems, yeah, this is magnetic. So that's nice. This is not there in the WeCool one. There is magnet here at the bottom, so this sticks. One more thing that I just noticed. So look at the attention to details. They have this grip here, this rubber grip, so that when you put it when you use it as a tripod, it will not skip. And I was just seeing the same in the WeCool one. So it's just simple plastic, but there is something. You were too quick to judge. There is some rubber here, but it's really small. So when you do that like this, so this place will be in contact with the ground, so there will be some grip. But in case of the Realme, this entire thing is covered with rubber, so irrespective of which angle you are doing it, this will give you a really good grip. And I really like it how it's magnetic and it snaps into place. Coming back to the remote, let me just take this out and try to start this. Yeah, the LED blinks green. You can pair this with your mobile phone or smartphone as simply as you pair a Bluetooth headphone or your um, AirPods. Okay, finishing is quite nice, as I was saying. Okay, just, and it closes really nice. I like this one. This actually fits very nice. So this is really good for portability. You can just take it and pack it really nicely, pack it really well. Just for the sake of it, let me just measure it. So 70 centimeters when it's completely extended. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below and answer each and every one of you. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.